Hello dears, it's Julie with new hairstyle video. Today it's 40s inspired hairstyle poodle, half up, half down. It's very simple hairstyle, very fast. So keep watching to recreate this hairstyle. 22mm foam rollers overnight. Then I'll separate apart all the front part of my hair and start unteasing. After this, I'm fixing the part of my hair, teased part, and starting to create rolls. You can choose what volume you want to receive. I don't want a big volume, so I'm making it more lower. But you can do a very big poodle part. Then I brush all other hair, and if I need, if the volume at the ends is little, a little bit teasing it to create volume and a little bit wave. That's all. Do you like this result? please write in comments your thoughts, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and follow my channel for more hairstyle tutorials. Bye bye.